they didn't have my trailer all day, and just like I know yard dogs do, they dropped the trailer too freaking high. So that's why I always get out and look. You know. Put this wire all around here. Oh, this is a nightmare. Nah, this ain't what we doing. This is not what we doing. Smelling like freaking Lassie. $664 just to do a park regen. Something I could have done myself, but you know, these is lessons learned. It was actually a dummy move, you know what I'm saying? But I am going to stay encouraged, and you guys got to stay encouraged, because every day is not going to be a good day in trucking, you know. I used this one broker company, and they didn't pay me all my detention. I had over 10 hours of detention I was owed, but they cap it at 5. But I was thankful to get some of the detention, so I just made up in my mind I'm not going to be wasting a lot of my time. But I will keep you posted, you know, with the good and the bad. But I'm telling you, Premier Truck Group, $1,000. First time it was 16. With the amount of these fuel prices, it's just like everybody's just getting over inflation. Just so we have to start charging, you know. But now I understand that I'm not a company person, so sometimes I'm gonna have to make people take stuff off my trailer and off my truck if stuff don't be right, because that's where we're at, you know. And the main thing I'm learning is this is a bunch of sharks. You can't be a little you can't be the prey, you know. You gotta move like the sharks, you know. Better yet, move like the what's the okra, the killer whales. Move like the killer whales, because they can deal with these sharks. And that's what I'm getting ready to have to start doing in this business, to make sure that I can achieve the goals that I'm trying to achieve. You know what I'm saying? So, but other than that, I'm gonna keep you posted. Got some more footage for you, but yeah, this authority and carrier status is a little different. You know, one thing I'm learning: if you shake hands, if you pick something, do it. Cause I'll be counting the loads. I'll be, you know, doing all kind of stuff, because I see some money over here, money over there, and you're not gonna be stable like that. So don't do what I did when I started. But you know, and don't go. I set myself a route now. I'm starting to see where I want to go, okay, and get certain type of freight. And I'm not gonna be going all over the globe chasing money. The main goal now for me is to go pick up the freight, drop it off, come back home, and live my best life, you know, and spend time with my family, and make sure that we can save up some type of money, you know. But on a good note, bills is paid again, and truck note is paid again, and I'm almost done with my truck note, by the grace of God. So, and another thing, You gotta keep seeing out your life, man. I've been going crazy with obstacles, falling short, but now it's time to repent and get myself together so I can focus on hearing the voice of God while I'm out here pushing this truck. But until then, y'all stay blessed, stay encouraged. Mountain.